Hey friends, if you encounter this error where a random command prompt pop-up appears and disappears on Windows 11 where it just flashes once, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So there can be two things behind it. One is that it's a malware and the second thing is that it's a genuine process triggering this reaction. And usually it is very normal. I ignore it. But if you don't want to ignore it, then here's what you can do. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and go to MRT, which is the malware removal tool. Click on next, full scan, next and let it run through. Other than this, press Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type shell colon startup. Hit enter or OK, and if you find an auto run entry here, then delete it. So these are the only two solutions, otherwise this can be ignored. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.